So guys, this is officially the last day, well last night now in Japan. It was kind of sad, obviously, but right now we're gonna do some Omega shopping again, and like literally last minute shopping, and then after that we're gonna go to Namba to get some Tonkotsu, and that's literally the entire day for us, because we still gotta pack and still gonna figure out our tickets, our airport, all that stuff, and the traveling and that stuff. So yeah, it's kind of sad. So I'm currently in Umeda. Just finished some Capcom stuff. Well, I just bought one stuff because it was really cool. I'm in Umeda. Beautiful place. Very sunny. Very big. Because I'm trying to find the Gachapon as we speak. I can't find it anywhere. I tried using Google Maps, but still didn't work. So I'm gonna try and look back from yesterday from memory, because I'm trying to memorize how we got there and try to figure out the way to the Gachapon. It's really hot. I'm sweating a lot. But it's what it is. I found it. It's literally right up there. That's where I'm heading to get some gacha. Wish me luck, guys. I'm trying to manifest. No, this place is actually crazy. What the hell? I feel like in Canary Wharf. 3 of them. Probably more than that. But yeah, I have to cross this bridge to get to the Capcom Gacha area. I just realized as well, it's literally at the back of the building. So I literally went all the way around. That's freaking nuts. Oh, the more you know now, the more you know. Oh, that's jarring, man. Oh my god. I walked all the way around the building. And it's a massive room as well. But I'm just trying to understand now. Oh, how this? Because I'm sweating a lot. Just right there. Capcom Connect space. I think it has more stuff than the other one actually. Oh yeah. My guy Luke. I say Luke. Alright, time to spend some money. So I only got 2,000 yen, which is like at least £10. But this is something. So I can spend this on the gacha thing that's right behind me, because I'm going to give it to my friends. We also got some anime stuff as well. So I got the cash. Thank you. Can you do it again? Thank you very much. Let the manifestation begin one more time. Question is, which one? There's so many. I need to find some cute ones. They also have like a Monster Hunter section. If you're a big fan of Monster Hunter, yeah, come here. Also like some gameplay on the Nintendo Switch too, so you can play games. I see a little kid doing Street Fighter 6. Come on. But yeah, this place is massive. Do you get what I mean? Even Capcom on the ceiling. What the hell? But yeah, I'm trying to get something good here. It's so big because I don't know which one looks cute, and there's a bunch of gachapons. Oh my god, I have to spend my money wisely. And some gachas as well. There's like different prices. Like one gacha is like 500, one of them is 400, depending on what's in there. Okay, I found a cute one. 400. Like that. I want this one, the sneaky one. That's on me. Hopefully it's good. Wish me luck. I can't even see the price thing. Yoink. Pink one. Okay. Hold on, give me a sec. Okay, first one. It's actually actually so hard because the tape is really good. Sleepy one. Oh, I got the sleepy one. Hell yeah. Why does it have one eye though? Oh, it's because of the fluff. There you go. I got the sleepy one. Hell yeah, let's go. Alright, that's one done. Next one I'm doing is this one. Honestly, I wouldn't mind which one I could get. That's 5 yen, 500 yen. Oh, what? I can't tell which one I got, but I got something. For my second one, I got this one. I think it's the middle one, I think, the last one, I think. I'm not too sure, but this one's really cute. This one's my next one, can't lie, it's goofy up. I would rather, I don't mind any actually. It's not even for me. Alright, 3. Oh. Okay. I got this one, cold. That's actually so cute. So I got 800 yen so far for 3 items. And now I'm struggling which one I should get. I don't know if I should get one for myself because last time when I did a gacha, I didn't get the one that I wanted. And I don't know if I should gamble it again for the last time to get what I want. But we shall see. I'm gonna try the JJK one. I'm hoping I get either this one or this one. Please, Toji. Come on. This has to be Toji or Gojo. I don't have any other characters. Only Toji or Gojo. Please, I beg of you. I want this so bad. I want the Toji, please. Another king. This is so hard to open. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what I wanted. Yes. So I got 400 yen. I'm actually so glad that I actually got the Toji. Oh my god, manifestation actually worked. Look at this one. It's actually really cute. 500 yen. So I would rather get the shark one, this one, or this one. I'll say anyway, fine. Last one in Japan. Which one is it? Oh, I got the shark one. Hell yeah! The little shark one at the time there. That's so cute. Yeah, you see? Shows the time. I'm basically done. It's my last time gonna do a gacha one in Japan. This is so fun. If you guys need to spend your money, do it in here. If you want any like cute keychains and stuff like that. And also other souvenirs. Because they have loads of stuff in here. Oh, I'm gonna miss Japan so bad, man. So I just finished the Gachapon, the Capcom Gachapon. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Oh man, the manifestation is done. I actually got some good stuff as well for myself and for other people. Can't wait to gift it to them. But now I'm on my way to the station to go home to get ready for tonight because we're going to go to the Tonkotsu place for the last time. And then after the Tonkotsu, we're just gonna chill. And that's the end of Japan. Again, I'm really sad that we're going back to reality in the UK. But man's poor now. I spent roughly like around over 1.5, like literally above. I literally just 1.6 because I had to charge my money back and forth. But yeah, money well spent, definitely. I'm gonna miss the food. I'm gonna miss the Airbnbs, the scenery, the landscapes as well, the shopping. It's just cheap. It's just really cheap. It's so busy in here. Everyone's going to different directions, man. Oh my god. So I went to the family mart to buy some snacks for tomorrow for the airport because I know for a fact that I'm not going to eat. And I bought some pancake mix as well because the pancake here slaps different. But now I'm on my way to McDonald's just to get a little snack. not even snack, sorry, to get lunch, and then after that it's just dinner to the Tonkotsu place. So yeah. So I went to McDonald's, got some fries, some nuggets, 50 nuggets, and a Coke float, and a pie, my favorite pie in McDonald's, and the Coke float as well. Oh, it's cold. Coke float. I think just make this at home. Just put the Coke and then add the ice cream.
A few moments later.
Made it to the Tonkotsu. It's tough. To eat? Yeah. Too much? Yeah. Imagine I have that much dog. So we finished the restaurant down there. Oh, my stomach is so bloated. Like very bloated. Like, oh my god. What's that?
Just drink with Coke.
Oh, I don't need a drink, man.
No. That was a big stomach aches.
I don't have a stomach ache. I'm just full. Oh my god, I'm pregnant, man. No, guys, I can't. I'm suffering. I can't.
No more calories.
No, I can't be yours, man. I'm actually pregnant, man. We're going to the trains. We're going back home, man. I'm too tired for this diet. Oh, really windy.
My suitcase, please. Yeah. I don't want to break anything.
You're fine.
Come on. Alright. Okay, man. Hey, good.